Sleep with confidence.
Tonight, let yourself drift into a gentle voyage, a story that carries you far away from the noise of the day. Imagine a harbor at night, silent and calm. The water is dark glass, rippling softly under the touch of the moonlight. A single boat waits for you at the wooden pier. Its sails are folded, and its deck glows faintly as if welcoming you home. The air smells of salt and sea, and the breeze carries only peace. This is the beginning of your journey, a voyage beneath the quiet watch of the moon. You step onto the boat. The wood creaks softly beneath your feet, not in warning, but in greeting. The ropes are secure, the sails ready, and the tiller steady. Slowly, the boat begins to move, pushed gently by the tide. The harbor lights grow distant. The world you left behind grows smaller, softer, and soon it disappears into the night mist. Ahead, only the open sea waits, vast and endless, calm and safe. The moon rises higher, silver and full. Its light spills across the water, forming a glowing path just for you. The boat glides forward, and the rhythm of the sea becomes your companion. Each wave is a breath, each ripple a heartbeat. The boat rocks gently, side to side, a lullaby written by the ocean itself. You lean against the railing, feeling the cool air on your face. The stars appear one by one, scattered diamonds on the black sky. The sound of the sea surrounds you, steady and eternal. There is no hurry, no destination to reach. Only this moment, this night, this calm voyage. As the boat moves further from the shore, you notice the whispers of the sea. They are not words, but feelings. The water tells you to release the weight you carry, to let your shoulders soften, your chest open, your thoughts dissolve. The sea reminds you that you are small, and yet infinite, safe, and yet free, calm, and yet alive. The boat sails onward. The sails unfurl, catching the soft wind. The canvas breathes, filling and relaxing like a living being. The boat responds with grace, moving steadily over the moonlit path. The rain begins to fall, not harsh, but tender, a light drizzle that kisses your skin and the deck. The sound blends with the rhythm of the waves, a soft percussion, endless and soothing. You close your eyes. You breathe deeply. Inhale the cool night. Exhale the weight of the day. Inhale the peace of the sea. Exhale every worry, every thought that tries to follow you. The boat carries them away. They sink into the deep ocean, gone forever. Only your calm remains. Only your breath, your heartbeat, your gentle rocking with the boat. Minutes pass, or perhaps hours. Time loses meaning. The sea knows no clocks, and the moon does not hurry. You drift between waking and dreaming, floating on the edge of sleep. The waves cradle you. The rain hums for you. The boat whispers, "You are safe. You are calm. You are home." As the voyage continues, you imagine distant islands hidden in the mist. Their silhouettes rise and fall like gentle dreams, always near, yet never urgent. You do not need to reach them. They are simply there, waiting, symbols of promise and hope. Your journey is not about arrival. It is about drifting, about breathing, about resting in the arms of the sea. The moon reflects on the water, breaking into 1,000 silver fragments that dance on the waves. Each fragment is a thought, a memory, a worry. One by one, they melt into the ocean, leaving the water clear, leaving your mind free. The more you look, the more you let go, until there is a nothing left but the vast quiet of night. The boat rocks gently, side to side, side to side. The rhythm repeats, never ending, never urgent. Like a mother's voice, like a cradle swing, like the breath of the world itself. You surrender to it. You allow yourself to be carried. You trust the sea. You trust the night. You trust the journey. Sometimes the wind grows stronger and the sails fill with sound, but never in violence, always in peace. The stronger wind only moves you deeper into calm, further into safety, closer to the quiet place inside your mind where nothing can disturb you. The rain thickens for a moment, then softens again, like a blanket being pulled gently over you. The drops fall steady and slow, steady and slow. Each one a reminder that the world is still here, that the night is holding you, that you are never alone. Hours pass, or perhaps only minutes. Time drifts away. The boat continues, faithful and calm, steady beneath the watch of the moon. You rest on its deck, your body heavy, your eyes soft, your breath slow. The sea sings for you a song without words, a song older than memory. The stars circle above. The moon shifts its place. The world continues turning, but you remain still, resting in the cradle of the sea. Every moment brings you deeper into calm, deeper into silence, deeper into the night that protects you. The boat whispers again. You are safe. You are calm. You are home. Again and again, the sea repeats it. In the sound of the waves, in the touch of the rain, in the rhythm of the boat. You are safe. You are calm. You are home. And as you drift further into this endless voyage, you allow yourself to let go completely. Your breath softens. Your thoughts fade. Your body releases. You drift into sleep, deeper and deeper, carried by the boat, by the sea, by the moon. The voyage continues, even as you dream. The sea holds you. The night protects you. The moon guides you, and you sleep. You are safe. You are calm. You are home. Let yourself be carried away by a gentle story, a story that will guide your mind away from the noise of the day and into a place of calm and safety. Imagine that you are standing at the edge of a valley where the air is cool and the sky above is dark velvet sprinkled with stars. In the distance, you see a mountain rising slowly toward the heavens, its slopes covered in soft mist and its peak crowned with silver light. This is not an ordinary mountain. This is the Whispering Mountain, a place where the wind carries messages of peace, where every stone remembers ancient secrets, and where your heart can finally rest. You take a slow breath and you begin to walk. The path beneath your feet is soft with earth, and the sound of gentle rain begins to fall, a steady rhythm that matches the beating of your heart. The rain does not disturb you. Instead, it wraps you like a blanket, cool and soothing. Each drop a reminder that you are safe, you are protected, and you are free to let go of everything that no longer serves you. With every step, the world behind you grows more distant. The worries of the day fade into the mist, and only the sound of rain and the whispers of the mountain remain. As you move along the winding trail, the forest greets you. Tall trees arch overhead, their branches swaying gently. The leaves shimmer with droplets, and as the breeze passes through them, you hear a quiet voice, soft as a sigh. The forest is speaking to you. It tells you that you are welcome, that you're not alone, that every living thing is here to keep you company on this peaceful journey. You feel the words not only in your ears, but also in your chest, a vibration of reassurance that settles into your body like warm light. Deeper into the path, you notice small streams that sparkle in the moonlight. Their waters move slowly, curving gracefully over stones polished by centuries. When you stop to look, you see your reflection in the water, calm and serene, and the stream whispers, "You are more than your thoughts. You are more than your fears. Tonight, you are free." You linger there, breathing in the fresh scent of wet earth and moss, letting the words dissolve into your mind like drops of rain into soil. The trail begins to rise gently, and the mountain seems to lean closer to you, as if eager to share its secrets. The rain continues, steady and soothing, but now the wind carries faint voices. They do not frighten you. They are soft, like old friends telling stories by the fire. The mountain whispers of courage, of peace, of the endless cycles of night and day. It tells you that everything passes, that even the heaviest burdens eventually turn to mist, and that your heart, just like this mountain, is strong, ancient, and steady. With each step upward, you feel lighter, as though the weight of the day is slipping from your shoulders and dissolving into the rain. The worries you carried are no longer yours. They fall away behind you, left at the base of the trail, left in the valley where they cannot follow. All that remains is your breath, your heartbeat, and the sound of the mountain calling you higher. After a while, you come to a clearing where the forest opens to a wide view. From here, you can see the valley far below, wrapped in mist and silver light. The air is so still that time itself seems to pause. You sit for a moment on a stone worn smooth and you listen. The mountain speaks again, not in words but in feelings. The deep assurance that you are safe, that your body knows how to rest, and that your mind deserves silence. As you sit there, your eyes grow heavy. The rain becomes softer, a distant lullaby. The mountain's whispers blend with the rhythm of the rainfall, repeating again and again, "You are safe, you are calm, you are home." You let the words circle around you, flowing in and out of your breath. When you rise again, the trail continues upward, leading you to the very heart of the mountain. The air is cooler here, filled with the fragrance of pine and stone. The stars above shine brighter, as though guiding you onward. The whispers now are all around you, like a choir of soft voices singing only for you. They remind you that you are strong enough to rest, that letting go is not weakness, but a gift. They remind you that tomorrow will come, but tonight is only for peace. The final steps bring you to the peak. The mountain stretches upward into the sky, and you stand at its summit, surrounded by clouds that glow in the moonlight. The world below has vanished into darkness, and only the vast sky remains. You breathe deeply, feeling the cool air fill your lungs, and you close your eyes. The mountain speaks one last time, whispering gently, "Sleep now. The world is safe. You are safe. Rest." The rain continues to fall, soft and endless. The whispers fade into silence, and you lie down in the cradle of the mountain, wrapped in the night, wrapped in calm. Your body becomes heavy, your breath slow, your thoughts distant. The mountain keeps whispering, even as you drift away, carrying you into dreams deeper than the valleys, higher than the stars, quieter than the rain. You are safe. You are calm. You are home.